today's video, GHRD wants to highlight the case of the Christian minority in Pakistan. On the 16th of August 2023, an armed mob attacked at least 2 churches and private homes in the town of Jallianwala in Punjab province in Pakistan. 2 Christian residents were accused of blasphemy and desecrating the Quran as torn pages of the holy book were discovered near the Christian colony with alleged blasphemous content written on them. This is an incendiary charge in Pakistan, given its Muslim majority and its infamous blasphemy laws. Section 295C of Pakistan's Penal Code, more commonly referred to as the Blasphemy Law, states that derogatory remarks in respect of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, either spoken or written, or by visible representation, or by any imputation, innuendo, or insinuation, directly or indirectly, shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine. Although there have been no executions, several people convicted of blasphemy are currently on death row, while many others are serving life sentences for related offenses. Often, vigilante mobs have lynched dozens of people even before a case is put on trial. Christians form around 1.3% of Pakistan's population, are at particular risk, especially as the blasphemy law is often misused against Pakistan's minority groups and even against Muslims to settle personal scores. In 2014, the Pakistan Supreme Court said the majority of blasphemy cases are based on false accusations stemming from property issues or other personal or family vendettas, rather than genuine instances of blasphemy, and they inevitably lead to mob violence against the entire community. This is certainly the case in Jallianwala, as rows of houses were set on fire and Bibles were burnt. Many Christians had to flee the area in fear of their safety. GHRD's media team was present at the United Pakistani Christians Community Europe's gathering in Brussels on the 24th of August 2023 to document the protest.
मैं ये समझता हूँ कि हमारे मजहबी घर जो है उनको जलाया गया है। यीशु मसीह को कोई नहीं निकाल सकता, ये हमारे दिलों में है, ये कलाम हमारे दिलों में तहरीर हो चुका है, ये खत्म नहीं हो सकता। और वाक़े को आपके सामने लाना चाहता हूं कि हमारे गिरजाघरों के सामने जाकर आपने वहां पर नारे लिखना शुरू कर दिए। क्या आप उनको मस्जिद में तब्दील करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप उनको इस तरह बनाना चाहते हैं? वो गिरजाघर है और गिरजाघर ही रहेंगे, वो मसीही इबादतगाह हैं और वो इबादतगाह।
We highlight the prime responsibility of the European Union, assess the Pakistan progress in implementation on 27 international treaties under the GSP Plus mechanisms, call of constructive dialogue between the Pakistani government and the EU, ensure that the GSP Plus status is tied and stringent setups upholding the religious freedom and human rights in Pakistan. We demand that Pakistan must reform all blasphemy laws, introduce impregnable safeguards, remove religious freedom restrictions, and ensure a fair trial for those who are accused of blasphemy, including Anwar Kanath and Shagufta Kiran. Anwar Kanath, a Pakistani Christian who is behind the bar from over 2 decades, and this is serious human rights violation. Pakistan's blasphemy laws are incompatible with international human rights standards. Child marriage, Pakistan must criminalize forced faith conversion and provide justice to our daughters so that these girls must return to their families and abductors must get punished with the full remedy of laws, and the religious minority can live with their safety and with all equal rights under the protection of law and constitution. I thank you.
Thank you.
Embassy or Pakistani rulers.
Yes!
Today we came here to talk to the European Parliament who are sleeping. Come on, European Parliament, wake up. Our church has been burned, but you are silent. Our houses are being burned and destroyed, but you are silent. When will you speak? When will you raise the voice for the Pakistani Christians who
आवाज भी नहीं उठाते? मैं तमाम एम्बेसियों से, पाकिस्तान की एम्बेसियों से, बेल्जियम की, नेदरलैंड की एम्बेसी से एक ही बात करूंगा, आने वाले वक्त में हम इससे बड़े बड़े एहतजाज करेंगे। अगर हमारी बात हमारे बहन भाइयों को वहां तंग किया गया तो हम इसी जगह पर भूख हड़ताल पर भी बैठेंगे। हम 30 तारीख को नेदरलैंड में एक मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं और उस मुजाहरे में
The blasphemy laws violate Pakistan's international legal obligations under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, including the rights to freedom of conscience, religion, expression, and association, and to profess and practice one's own religion, which Pakistan ratified in 2010. In the face of increased attacks on religious minorities in Pakistan, the need to protect these minority groups and their rights is vital. Laws discriminating against various religious minorities must be reformed or repealed. Stay tuned for more updates on the protests and the situation of the Christian minority in Pakistan.